Hello people and welcome back to Car Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road encounters ever caught on driver's dashcam. We'll start today's episode off with an accident in which one driver was not paying attention at his side view mirrors as he changed lanes. This video is a prime example of why some people should definitely stick to public transportation instead of owning their own car. Green Mustang driver ran a red light. And of course, it's only natural that it will come to a disaster. Luckily, the driver was okay and no one was injured, but it was only inches away from a real catastrophe. We have a similar situation as in the previous video. One driver was not slowing down at the red lights. And sure enough, he blew the red and caused an accident.
Video is now locked.
Driver in a red Jeep was previously behind the camera, but he was driving so fast and recklessly, and in this situation, he even cut the pickup truck driver that's ahead of him.
Take the next right onto Driftwood Bay Drive, then turn right to stay on Driftwood Bay Drive.
Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
I'm pretty sure that the camera had the right of way in this situation, but the driver who got right in front of him simply didn't care.
Voice command.
Say a command.
Say video.
These types of things can only be seen in New York. Khmer caught a rather crazy NPC pedestrian on his dashcam who was even approaching his vehicle without the camera's permission.
Jesus, man. He's gonna walk to the car? Like, that's a zombie right there. He probably would have came up to the car too, like.
Camera was just minding his own business and trying to enjoy a nice ride, but this crazy driver cut right in front of him, and surely he made a huge mistake, and he regretted that decision because a cop was about to pull him over. For one reason or another, this Kia driver purposely swerved in another lane and he sideswiped another vehicle, causing some damage to the car. Of course, both parties pulled over, and the camera as well. He provided his footage to the police.
Whoa, my guy. Whoa. Oh my lord, what the? What the is that?
This crazy driver caused a double hit and run, and it was all caught on the camera.
Current loop video is now locked.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on Car Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes. If you truly like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because we will definitely appreciate it a lot. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next one, drive safe.